One of the families affected by the tragedy is desperately seeking justice. Christine Ngumalo's sister is alleged to have been transferred to Precious Angels, where she ultimately lost her life. Out of the 144 mental health patients, it is claimed that 20 of them died under the care of this particular NGO.
She was in a wheelchair, so apparently since she was left in that corner, or wherever they had left her, she was never moved. There was only, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, it said she only had about 30 mils of water in her entire body. She hadn't eaten, and it was clear, for weeks. She had gangrene in both her feet, and in essence was left there to die.
Over the course of 2 weeks, the court will hear closing arguments from Section 27. They will advocate for the officials responsible for the tragic relocation of mental health patients to be held accountable.
The project was done in such a rush and with such a lack of care that people weren't treated as individuals. They were moved in big groups, they were moved in so-called batches. They often didn't have the kind of identification that they needed, and so it was unclear to NGOs what steps they should be taking or what care they should be giving people. So there were various causes of these deaths, but there are 3 people whose actions can really be linked to these deaths, and that's what we're going to be arguing tomorrow.
Section 27 will argue for the former Gauteng health government official, the MEC, and the NGO owner to face criminal charges of culpable homicide. The 3 individuals are expected to present counter-arguments. Mbalenhle Mthethwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.